In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a brand new YouTube channel in 2020. If you want to do this on your mobile device, click on the video in the card right now. If you want to do this on your desktop, then keep watching because I'll show you right now how you can do this. So first of all, you want to make sure to have a Gmail account. You can do this on an existing Gmail account, or you can create a brand new Gmail account by simply searching for create Gmail account. So in order to have a YouTube channel, you need to have a Gmail account. So right there, you can simply create a brand new Gmail account. Click on create account right there, and you can then set this up. So I'll just do that right now, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so once you've done all of that, you want to agree to the Google terms and click on create account. Click on confirm right there, and then you have created a brand new account. If you then go to youtube.com, you can click on your channel icon at the top right corner, and right there it will say create a channel. You can click on it, and right there you can click on get started. Now next up, you can use your name, or you can use a custom name. So let's say you want to use a custom name. You click on select, and then right there you can come up with a custom channel. Okay, then click on I understand that blah blah blah. Simply pick that box, then click on create, and that's pretty much how you can create a brand new YouTube channel in 2020. Nice work, your channel How Custom has been created. Next up, you can upload a picture right there. You can create a channel description, and you can add links to your websites. You can then save and continue. But that's how you can create a brand new YouTube channel in 2020. If this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and I wish you good luck with your YouTube channel. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.